Though the internet runs pretty smoothly at this point, you may still occasionally encounter a few issues, like getting the 502 bad gateway error instead of the page you want to visit. While the error is fairly generic and results mostly from issues with the site itself, here's one thing you can try on your end, just in case. Clearing your history and cache may clear corrupted or outdated files that trigger the error. To do this on Chrome, click on the triple dotted icon at the top right. Mouse over More Tools and select Clear Browsing Data. On the settings window that pops up, ensure the box next to Cached Images and Files is ticked. Set the time range to All Time if necessary. Then click on Clear Data. If you're on Firefox, click on the triple dotted icon at the top right. Select History, then click Clear Recent History. On the tab that pops up, ensure the boxes next to Cookies and Cache are ticked. Set the time range to Everything, then click OK. And that's all there is to it. In either case, restart your browser and try visiting the site again. If it still gives you an error, it may be an issue with the site itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering networks and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.